Why does your scanner show the P1446 engine code? What does it mean? P1446 is a diagnostic trouble code for evap canister vent control valve close. This engine code indicates that there is a fault detected with the evap canister vent control valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty vent control valve, clogged vent lines, stuck or contaminated valve mechanism, electrical issues, ECM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is most commonly found in Nissan and Infiniti vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.